What are you doing, Peck? This is your Peck's gym class. Peck, let me see you pull up some of them push-ups. Come on, do it. I mean, pull-ups. 1, 2. Come on, Peck. You got it, buddy. 3. Go for 5. 1 more. Come on, push it out. Push it out. Yeah. Peck. Oh crap. Is Peck on the ground?